Hello everyone. In this Python lecture series, we are going to start our second lecture. Okay. In our last lecture, we was seeing that what is programming language, why we are using programming language, and what is computer. So now in this lecture, we will discuss about Python. What is Python? Python is a programming language. Why we are using programming language? Because we want to communicate with the hardware. Okay, so if you want to communicate with the hardware, so you can instruct them. Okay, and for instructing anyone, and if you want to want a work from anyone, so you have to give some command. Okay, and for giving any command, we need a language for communication. So it's about programming language. So Python is a programming language, and with the help of Python, we can create applications and softwares. Okay, and using those software, we can operate hardware. Okay, so Python is a programming language developed by Guido van Rossum. Okay, in 1991. Okay, so Python have some features like easy to code, free and open source, high level language, and interpreted language. There are lots of features in Python, but we are considering just 4 features because these are the important features, and these are basic lecture class. So firstly I want to give some basic source, like first of all we have to command on Python, and we know at least have some basics about Python. So when we are friendly with Python, then one by one I will give you all the features and reveal all the features one by one. So your knowledge content will be improved. Okay, so we have a feature like easy to code, like using Python is very simple, and we can use Python and we can create Python program is very simply way. Okay, so that's called easy to code. And second one is free and open source, means if you want to create any Python program, so for creating any program we need a software for creating program. So this is totally available, freely available on python.org website. And open source means application based on Python is totally free of cost available, and you can also change them also, like Android is an open source software. That means all the companies can change some features on those software, and no one will claim on those things. Okay, so this meaning is open source, means source code is open to all. Okay, and free means without any cost you can use them. Okay, and what is high level language? High level means you can create Python program in English language. Okay, means the language which is very clearly and understandable by the user. So this is called high level language. So Python is high level language. And what is interpreted language? Actually, when we are creating any program in high level language, means language understandable by the user. Okay, so that moment there is a problem, like how if we know English but computer don't know English. Okay, so how computer will resolve our problem? So we have to convert our high level program into binary language. So with the help for doing this, we can use some translator. Okay, so interpreter is just a translator, and Python uses interpreter for translating our code, and interpreter works like line by line. Okay, so interpreter convert our English code line by line into the machine language. So that's why Python is interpreted language. Okay, so these are the features of Python. These are the basic features, and after that we will start our Python next lecture, like how to create Python program, and for creating any program which software we are using, and if you want to create a program on mobile, then how can we create this program. So we will discuss it next lecture. Thank you.